May I now invite Dr. Omkar Rai, Director General, STPI, Government of India, for his talk, please.
Honorable Union Minister for Communication and Information Technology, Sri Sachin Pilot ji, respected Secretary of Department of Information Technology and Telecom, Sri R. Chandrasekhar ji, Sri Pradeep Datta ji, Venkat Ramana ji, Sanjeev Keskar ji, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. It is indeed my pleasure to be part of this inauguration ceremony of ISA Vision Summit 2012. As all of you are aware, STPI has been one of the growth drivers for the Indian information technology and hardware industry in last 2 decades by implementing software technology park and electronics and hardware technology parks schemes and providing infrastructural support in terms of data communication services and other promotional services to nurture their goal. In the last fiscal year 2010-11, IT software exports from the country have touched $59.4 billion, recording an impressive growth rate of 18.7% over 2009-10. As on date, around 8,000 software units and 180 hardware electronic units are registered with us. Further, I would like to mention that the growth of the hardware industries has been slow as compared to the software companies. This is due to the fact that this industry is capital intensive in nature as compared to the software industry, and the product time to market is too much. I would like to draw your attention towards the report of the subcommittee of the task force set up by the Department of Information Technology, Government of India, which clearly indicates that there is a significant gap between projected domestic demand and supply of the electronic industry. As per the report, total demand in the electronics will touch $400 billion in year 2020, and domestic production will only be $104 billion. To close the gap between demand and supply of our domestic market, we have to raise the production level of the Indian electronic system and design manufacturing industries. In order to achieve this set task, Department of IT, Government of India has introduced a draft national policy on electronics. The policy envisions creating globally competitive ESDM industries, including nanoelectronics, to meet the country's need and serve the international markets. For this, STPI is set to play a vital role in creating required ecosystem for the growth of electronic system and design manufacturers industry as per the new triad of IT, electronics and telecom policies of the Ministry of Communication and Information Technology, which is under formulation. Accordingly, STPI is taking various initiatives. I am glad to inform you that STPI, in association with Government of Karnataka, is setting up a semiconductor characterization lab in Bangalore, and I am quite hopeful that this facility shall be implemented during this year. Further, we have also taken initiative to set up VLSI specific incubation center at 4 locations in the country. It is planned to set up VLSI specific incubation center at STPI Bangalore, initially for which a project report is under preparation in association with India Semiconductor Association. With this, once again, I wish a great success to this Vision Summit. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.